How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Polygon price update, what's going on in the Polygon, what's the price changes occur. And in this video I'm talking about technical analysis of Polygon. We're trying to detect the next move of Polygon. Is the price in the future pump? Is the price of Polygon in the future dump? These all things we discuss in this video, guys. So I recommend for all of you, please keep watch. And if you want this type of more news and update videos about crypto, so please click the subscribe button below right now. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing our channel. Now let's start the video and let's go ahead. If you talk about the right now price of Polygon in the market, so 1.28 USD dollar, that is right now price of Polygon. And furthermore, you can see here the changes is going very good in the market, and I love Polygon Matic in a right now situation, just in right now situation, because in a right now situation Polygon is positive, and I hate Polygon when there's a negative time, guys, negative changes. But that's good for all of you because the changes is right now situation is positive. I'm very happy to see these positive changes after a long time. Now guys, let's see the price chart. Wow, you can see here, guys, in the latest situation, just look here. Also guys, here this time the price will dump, but again I think you can see here now they struggle to the price will pump, guys. Anyways guys, the good news for all of you is that you can see here highest price is about 135 cent, change is about 4.71%, guys. So this thing is going positive, that's why I'm very happy, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Stakes channel for more news and update videos.